light cuts through the room, shadows stretch like the weight of doom. Wood shavings fall like whispers lost. Hammer strike echoes wide, dreams buried deep inside. Soldier's hand carving time, building lives from broken lines. Soldier's hand, soldiers fight in the grave through the night.
Good morning, welcome back to Soldier Farms. Today I'm in the shop and I've got to finish up some spoons for an order, and we'll get those done and see where we go from there. Thanks.
Dusty light cuts through the room, shadows stretch like the weight of doom. Wood shavings fall like whispers lost. Hammer strike echoes wide, dreams buried deep inside. Soldier's hand carving time, building lives from broken lines. Soldier's hand, soldiers fight in the grave through the night. Knots in a wood, knots in his chest, every groove's a story pressed. Sweat drips slow, steady as the blade. He shakes, he sands, he knows the wood heals where the war still shows. Soldier's hand, carving time.
So I got this box of wood from Got Wood LLC. Ryan is the proprietor, and I opened it up, but I didn't take any of the paper out. And the only piece I pulled out of here was this kiln dried cherry, and I wanted to see, really, did they actually seal the edges with wax? What I see is like excellent material. I got this kiln dried cherry. That obviously is a bowl blank. I got some kiln dried hard maple. I got select maple, white limba, which I had no idea was even a thing. White wenge, which I had heard of but had never actually seen in public, so had to have a little of that. And then I got 2 spindle blanks. This one is torrefied Douglas fir, and this one is a kiln dried red grandis. It looks like maybe in a former life it was going to be a bowl blank, but hey, doesn't matter to me. Everything set up, went through just fine. We exchanged a couple more emails about some stuff, and then I got 7:45 the next morning, the notice my order had shipped. Said be here Tuesday. Well, this is Sunday. This arrived yesterday, 2 days after I bought it. So they're certainly on top of their shipping, and the material looks great. I'm very excited to get into that, but anyone who saw my live last evening with Jeff from 2 Minute Tips for Woodturners knows that I'm waiting on my new tool rest to come, because it caught a piece of material, and like they're designed to do, it broke away. It did not hang up or anything like that, but that's kind of inconvenient. Nobody got hurt, nothing like that, but it's just a learning thing. If you're new to the lathe, as I am, be very, very careful how close you set things, and make sure that you have things clamped down super tight. So anyway, that's my PSA for today. Sit this back over here, and I think we're going to call that for now. Thank you.